Welcome to the download.
Downloading.
Hi, I'm Elijah. Welcome to the download. Let's make a video with me, and I want you to time me as I want to finish this in 3 minutes or less. I got places to be. Alright, let's begin. First, I'm going to import a URL or choose a brand that I already have from the Saved Brands button. Once my brand is all set, I'm going to choose my direction. It's really important to really go for a direction focus. This gives your video that much more specificity. Excited about this direction? Now I'm going to choose my vibe and apply my length and desired language. Okay, what's my time? I can't hear you, so I'm just gonna generate. Okay, let's watch it.
Ever wonder why shoes don't actually match the shape of your feet? At Lems, we think differently. Our minimalist designs follow your foot's natural anatomy, with zero-drop soles and wide toe boxes that let your feet move the way nature intended. Ultra-lightweight materials and thoughtful craftsmanship mean you'll barely notice you're wearing shoes at all. Ready to treat your feet right? Visit lemsshoes.com and feel the difference.
Okay, I like, but I want to change out the voice and keep everything else. I'm going to generate again. Let's lock the template and the voiceover script. I'm good on the direction, so let's generate again. I hope I'm good on time. Okay, let's watch this new generation.
Ever wonder why shoes don't actually match the shape of your feet? At Lems, we think differently. Our minimalist designs follow your foot's natural anatomy, with zero-drop soles and wide toe boxes that let your feet move the way nature intended.
I like both of these, but I'm going to go with the first video I did, so I'm going to my history tab to get it back. I'm going to make a small change to the colors, so let's continue to the editor. Okay, in the colors tab, I'm changing this color to this one. Love it. I want to finish, so let's share this to my client. I'm going to copy this preview link and boom, finish line, I'm done. How did I do? This is a quick way for you to generate, edit, and share over your video in just a short amount of time. Now you go. I'll time you. And go.
Downloading.